When the grid goes down, your cell signal vanishes, and the internet is toast. How do you call for help? How do you reach your family? This tool is a commonly overlooked piece of gear. It's the Surecom SR-112 Simplex Repeater, and in a disaster, it can turn a basic handheld radio into your lifeline. The SR-112 is a simplex repeater. That means it's not some giant tower or fancy digital rig. It's a battery-friendly device that listens, then repeats. Whatever you say into the radio, it records and plays back. Think of it like a parrot, but much smarter. So why does this matter? In a crisis, range is everything. Most handheld radios are limited by terrain, obstacles, and line of sight. But with a simplex repeater, you can leave it on a high spot like the roof of your house or a nearby hill, and boom, you've just doubled or even tripled your communication range. And here's the kicker, you don't even need a license to listen. That makes this the perfect tool for prepping, testing, or training. Here's how it works. You key your radio and say something like, "This is Alpha 1, can anyone hear me?" The SR-112 records that audio and instantly replays it after a short delay, so someone just out of your radio's range can still hear it, because now your message is being broadcast from the repeater's location, not yours, so probably much higher up. It has built-in memory for storing audio and can handle up to 180 seconds of record time. That means you can send long messages if needed, perfect for status updates or coordinating calls. Now, let's get into real-world use. If you're into disaster preparedness, comms is everything. Maybe your friend group is spread out. Maybe you're running a small neighborhood watch during a power outage. Drop the SR-112 at a high point and suddenly your coverage area expands dramatically. You can do range tests on your own. Just transmit, walk, and listen. I've done this a ton. The SR-112 repeats everything you say, so you can instantly know if your signal made it. That feedback loop is gold, and if you're running drills, this is a must-have. Everyone can test and hear their own signal repeated, which builds real communication confidence fast. Now, let's talk features. The SR-112 is compact, rugged, and runs on internal batteries or USB power. You can plug it into a battery bank and run for hours or even days. That's exactly how I ran mine for several days during testing. It also has a built-in battery, so even if you lose external power, it keeps working. It supports a voltage range from 5 to 24 volts, and the barrel plug adapter has a USB on the other end. That makes it super versatile. You can run it off nearly any power source you have on hand. One tip, make sure you push the audio plugs in all the way. It's a small thing, but if they're even slightly loose, you might get poor audio or no transmission at all. It's a common first-time mistake that I made. Another pro-level feature, the SR-112 supports DTMF tone commands. That means you can control it remotely with your radio, turn it on or off, record or play messages, and even leave voicemail style messages in its mailbox feature. All of this can be password protected, which keeps your settings secure even if others are within range. And here's a prepper bonus. You can set custom tail messages. That means you can leave important info at the end of every transmission. For example, this is a recorded message. Help is located at the red barn. Of course, no device is perfect. This isn't a true duplex repeater. It's one way at a time, and yes, there's a small delay while it repeats, so timing is key. But for what it is, it punches way above its weight. Keep it up high, keep it dry, and use it in clear areas to maximize range. If you're serious about off-grid comms, the Surecom SR-112 deserves a spot in your comms kit. It's affordable, reliable, and incredibly useful when the stakes are high. I use it, I trust it, and I recommend you pick one up before you actually need it. There's an affiliate link in the description that helps the channel and my family. Don't wait for the next blackout or hurricane to figure out your comms plan. Stay safe, stay connected, and always remember, you are your own first responder. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to help me grow the channel.